You receive $25,000 every day, but you must endure 5 seconds of random, excruciating agony each day. Here's the deal: once every 24 hours, you will experience 5 seconds of the most unbearable pain any human can imagine. This pain is beyond anything you've ever felt, a 100 out of 10 on the pain scale. Completely unfathomable. It's like the pain of childbirth or a kidney stone, but multiplied by 1,000. Imagine the agony of the Gom Jabbar test from Dune. A level of suffering that no real-life human experience can truly capture. The pain will not cause any lasting physical damage or affect your vital signs. Once the 5 seconds are up, you'll return to normal. It could happen at any time, while sleeping, driving, working, or even in the bathroom. You won't know when it will strike, but it will happen once every 24 hours. There's nothing you can do to alleviate the pain. No painkillers, no sedation, no way to stop it. For every 24 hours you endure this, you'll receive $25,000, tax-free, directly into your bank account. You can choose to stop at any time, but the money will keep coming as long as you complete the challenge. Do you accept the challenge? How many days would you last with the promise of $25,000?